Papa of PaPa's page here, and today is Cast Iron Wednesday, and we're going to cook pork roast. This time we're just going to cook it off the top of our head. So we're going to cook vegetables with it in the Dutch oven. On today's pork roast, we're going to put lemon pepper seasoning and let it sit in the fridge for a while we cut up the vegetables and put it in the bottom of the Dutch oven. And the vegetables we're going to use are potatoes, onions, carrots, and celery. Okay, I'm going to use garlic infused olive oil, and we're going to put it on this pork roast a little bit, and then we'll put the seasoning on. Okay, using Kingsford's lemon pepper seasoning. Well, it has a lemony smell to it. And into the refrigerator it goes. It's been a couple hours now, and I'm going to start putting the vegetables in. We decided we're going to use some chicken broth with it. So we'll go ahead and put it in first. Next, we'll put in the onions. We found some green beans. We'll put them in next. Potatoes. Carrots, celery, we'll get the pork roast out of the refrigerator, put it on top. Put the heat up to about medium. And cook everything for a couple hours, stirring it every few minutes. Okay, I've cooked it like an hour and a half now. And it looks like the pork's good and done. And the vegetables are all cooked. So we're going to pull the pork out and cut it up and get some vegetables out and see if I can find a taste tester. I found a taste tester. So here we go. We got some pork roast and some vegetables over here. Okay, I've got her some chips, and she's going to lay them out and tell us how good they are. We got 1, 2, 3, for 5 out of 5 today. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next week.